what's up? Today I'm here with Nadula here once more. Same package as usual. So this is the wig, and then I got, you know, the usual goodie bag. I got a pair of lashes. Okay, a little gift. Oh, this is what she. I got a pendant and a chain. Okay, it's like a necklace. That's not bad. Cheers. Thank you, Nadula. That's nice. I got 2 wig caps. Bag branded Nadula. I got a headscarf that says Nadula. And then, oh, let me see what this is. Here that says Nadula. Like, this is really handy. Like, you can put like your little wig accessories in there if you want to take it grocery shopping or anything you want to do with this bag. I love these goodies. This is very nice. Thank you, Nadula. All right, so for today's wig we have a body wave 24-inch lace front wig. Okay, this has like a deep parting area in the center. It's like a 13x4, but the mid portion is deeper. Has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and of course it came nicely pre-plucked. It looks really nice, really soft. So I love that. It's full from the roots to the tip. Very nice, lovely. So, and it is free part. So you can feel free to go ahead and part it anywhere you like. It looks so good. So, and it's of a natural color. As you can see, I'm going to put the specifications, like, you know, the density and all that in the description box. So please go ahead and check that out. And let's go ahead and jump into application. I proceeded to applying the wig. As you can see here, I'm using Got to Be spray to apply today's wig. As you can see, it came pre-plucked, but it doesn't have like a super deep graduation. So if you want, you could definitely feel free to go in and pluck it further. Also, please excuse my arm. I burnt myself with a kettle while making tea. So yeah, I know that's not looking good, but it's healing. It's healing. So yeah, I'm just taking my time, as you can see, applying my Got to Be bit by bit on the lace, and I take my blow dryer on cool air to, you know, make everything stick. And, you know, it's natural enough. Like, I went ahead and I applied the hairline with how it came in the package. I didn't go in and plug it any further because it does look natural enough, and it's totally fine. The lace melted really nicely as well, so that is a go for me. And after I applied the Got to Be and dried it and all, I applied my elastic band to further melt it in, you know, because that's always a very important step, to just have your lace laying super flat and, you know, not leaving like a casty look. A side part today.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze, the tempo of your beat, you bleed a melon.
So I'm gonna take my flyaway tamer and I'm gonna take my time and use my hot comb to lay everything flat. So in order to like make it super flat, I'm gonna go through the section like in smaller, like this area in smaller sections.
No one can control that old time rock and roll, no rule of gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs.
While I just continue to melt my lace in the front, I'm gonna actually redefine the waves. I'm gonna do some really nice loose waves, curling iron. So I'm just gonna kind of speed through this.
Watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger.
I use the clips even though I know it would be up for too long because I wanted it to set in the curl. So yeah, it was rather easy to, you know, curl, really nothing to it. I just want that really beautiful, luscious body wave look, and I feel like, you know, I really needed to like redefine the curls to get more like volume or body. So I'm gonna just remove the elastic band. That is looking good. So I'm just gonna take my time and kind of like, you know, go through the comb, because I just want that nice big soft curl waved look. So I'm kind of twist it around. I just wanted that nice side part, big wavy look, and that's exactly what I got. Shout out to Nadula here once more, always giving good quality. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications in my description box, so go ahead and check that out for this gorgeous body wave wig. The direct link will be down there as well, so go ahead and check that out for that. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go make up on yourself.
Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms?